Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your WeChat's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your WeChat's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your WeChat application. Before logging into your account, make sure that you have downloaded the application on your device. To download your WeChat application on your Android device, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. Before downloading an application, let me give you some information about WeChat application. WeChat is more than a messaging and social media application. It is a lifestyle for over 1 million users across the world. Chat and make calls with your friends, share your life's favorite moments, enjoy mobile payment features, and more. WeChat offers instant messaging, including social messaging features similar to WhatsApp. There's also much more you can do with WeChat, including using mini programs to shop online or access an app tools, or using WeChat Pay to send money and pay in person or online. Now, to download your WeChat application on your Android device, go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in WeChat and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. On the next page, tap on Install button just below the application to start the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Enter a password associated with your WeChat's account and tap on Login. You can also log into your WeChat's account through SMS verification code as well. If you choose the verification code option, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your phone number. Once you do that, you'll be logged into your WeChat's account in no time. This is how you can log into your WeChat's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more content and tutorials for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.